Hey loves, so we are back with another video about about foot care, and I'm not editing this video, but I just wanted to show you. So in the first section, that was when my feet were, I've been walking around all day, they were dry. After a shower, this is what the skin looks like. Again, you do not want to pull or pick on the skin. Let the natural medicine do its job and just peel your skin. When you get your socks, you'll wear them for up to 50 minutes, and then the peeling process will start in 2 weeks, and that process will go on for the next 2 weeks. So I recommend to just do the foot peeling mask every other month, because by the time this fully heals, it'll be a month, and you don't want to go back in the next month. So in between time, keep up with your pumice stone, and that will keep this skin healthy like this. But as you can see, after a month, how much skin grows back. So our skin grows very, very quick. This is like an inch thick of skin. I know it looks fun and you want to peel on it, but no, there will be skin all around the house. I mean, you can put socks on. Sometimes I still put a little like oil on, but not really. I like to just leave them alone and let them dry and let them peel. So this is just up close in person. And then I don't do any like nail care until after this, because it literally peels every single thing. Like right here gets a lot of skin, and as you can see how beautiful it is underneath, just fresh skin. So our skin does need to peel regularly. That's why body scrubs are really good, and I absolutely love it. So I just wanted to show you up close in person that these really do work, and I'm super excited to have tried them out. This is my second time using one. You can just see how beautiful the skin is. And it's like really paper like. When I'm going to sleep, I'll probably just rub my feet together, but when it gets like dry, it does kind of like fall off a little bit, but I'm still not pulling nothing off. Like I said, you can put some socks on. The socks will hold like some of the skin, and you can still wash up and stuff like that, but I absolutely love it. This is how you will keep the softest feet on earth. And like I said, when this is done peeling, you can just keep up with your pumice stone. Make sure you get you some good butter to put on your feet, on your cuticles, to make sure those are always moisturized. And honey, these are the best set of feet I ever had in my life. And remember, I had a callus. I actually had a wart when I went to the nail shop and got my toes done sometime. I think that was about 2 years ago almost. I had a wart right here due to unclean instruments. That's what my foot doctor told me. And I would go in and she would just shave it. You can still see not really, but it was somewhere right here, and it kind of turned to like a callus now a little bit, but it's like a flat callus. Like I can still feel it, but yeah, going to shops that are not sanitary, people just put in the tools and alcohol is not sanitary enough. There is shops out there that has brand new everything, fresh out the package every single time, but this shop did not. That's what made me stop going to get public stuff. But so it's like a flat callus that comes right here. So I still like to take a lot of care of that. And then I just like to do a foot scrub. But I just wanted to show you all up close in person that the foot peeling mask really works. You have to try this. Alexis loves you. Mwah.